In the past, have you struggled to find a good, reliable decorator? Watch this video and I will show you how to find the ideal decorator for you. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video for a free bonus giveaway. Now, the reason for this video, I was going to do the whole start to finish process of finding a good decorator all the way through to payments and completion, but I think it's a lot to do in one video, so I'm going to split it up into sort of 4 or 5 different parts, so it makes it easy to understand. However, the inspiration for this was from one of our customers that we've done some work for recently. She had a really bad experience, not with a decorator but with a plumber, and it just opened my eyes to how one bad experience can just snowball and make, well, it's a whole different story. I mean, I'm probably going to explain it in another video later on, but yeah, it's just opened my eyes to the pitfalls of making one wrong bad selection. Anyway, enough about that, onto this video. Hi, I'm Trevor and I own a small decorating business. I love to share our work and what we get up to. We also enjoy reviewing anything decorating related. This will hopefully help you save valuable time and money when it comes to planning your next decorating project. If this sounds something that would help you, why not hit that subscribe button and join our community. Although in this video we're going to hopefully help you find a good, reliable decorator, you can also use these hints and tips to find any other tradesman or contractor. Now, we all know if you find a good decorator, it pays to keep hold of them and look after them forever. However, finding a good, reliable decorator can sometimes seem like a minefield, but using these simple to follow steps, we can make choosing the right decorator a lot easier and stress-free. Word of mouth is, and always probably will be, the best way to find a decent decorator, and even if you've been lucky enough to have been handed a recommendation by somebody, it may be a good idea to follow the rest of our steps to make sure everything runs smoothly. The second best way to find a tradesman is to ask someone that you've used in the past. For example, a carpenter or electrician that has done work for you, and if you're happy with the work and the way they treated you, why not just pick up the phone and ask them who they'd recommend, because you normally find that good tradesmen hang around with good tradesmen and they can always recommend decent people to you. The third best way to find someone is to ask your local decorators merchants. If you're unsure where your local merchants is, just go to Google and type in decorators merchants near me. Once you have found them, either pay them a visit or give them a call and ask them a few questions. The first one I'd ask is who's coming in a lot at the moment and buying a lot of decorating materials. The reason for this question is simple. A decorator who's buying a lot of paint is A, busy and reliable because they're working regularly, and B, they're doing a lot of work at a reasonable rate. If they're doing a bad job and were expensive, they wouldn't be in the merchants as regular. Finally, the fourth place to look are places such as company websites, online communities that put you in touch with tradesmen. These include MyBuilder, Bark, Bidvine. There are a whole host of these types of companies that are making a lot of money out of consumers who are looking for work to be carried out, and from tradesmen who are looking for customers to have work completed. The decorator will be asked to pay for the jobs they're interested in, and they'll be charged a fee to find out the customer's contact details and job information. Now, this is not a bad way to find a decorator, however I think it's only fair to tell you that they will be charged for your contact details. I know that's quite a bit to take in, however, if you look in the description below, there's a link to a little guide that I've written on Amazon. Click that, it's free to download and it will give you all the information you need to pick the right decorator for you. Okay, so if you found this useful, you know what to do. You're not idiots. Hit subscribe, hit like, click that bell icon, and then you'll be reminded when I upload more of this shizzle. So until next time, you lot take care and yeah, have a good week. Cheers. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Caparol, although it is good German paint. We like it.